Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have OUKITEL OT11 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store game or application are not visible on your store. If you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. In it, scroll and choose Settings, where we tap on Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now we have PG3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3 to change it. Tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental control, and there we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included are rated, confirmed by understood, and save. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.